Hello everyone, welcome to our video. We will introducing you to an extraordinary creature which is the greater flamingo. In this video, we want you to join us discover the incredible greater flamingo on its interesting characteristic. The greater flamingo, or the scientific name is Phoenicopterus roseus, is a large and a pink wading bird with a long leg. There are 6 species of flamingo, and one of the species is greater flamingo. The other species of flamingo is Puna flamingo, lesser flamingo, Chilean flamingo, Caribbean flamingo, and Adrian flamingo. Out of the flamingo family, the greater flamingo is the most common and widespread member of the flamingo family. The species status of conservation is at least constant, and the population trend is increasing. Do you know the greater flamingo is the largest and the tallest species of flamingo? The size of the greater flamingo is around 36 to 50 inch, and the weight is up to 4 kilogram. The wingspan of the greater flamingo also can reach to 60 inch. The greater flamingo cover wide geographic range in the world. Greater flamingo can be found in a part of Africa and Southern Asia like Pakistan, India, and Sri Lanka. This bird also can be found in Middle East like Lebanon, Bahrain, and Turkey, and also can be found in Southern Europe. The greater flamingo is an omnivore animal. This flamingo can be found in a warm and watery region on many continents. They favor environment like mudflat and shallow coastal lagoon with salt water to eat shrimp, algae, plankton, and bloodworm. Do you know why the greater flamingo is pink? This is a reason. Flamingo got their pink color from their food, specifically their consumption of small crustaceans. When flamingo eat this crustacean, it metabolizes the carotenoid present in this animal, which enter the skin, giving the pink color to their feather. Their feather will revert to white if there is a shortage of this food. The process of selecting a mate starts with a courtship display. The male flamingo will gather in a large group and perform synchronized display to attract female. They will have a head flagging, wing spreading, and elaborate posturing. They create a mesmerizing spectacle with synchronized movement to impress the female. Lastly, the unique behavior of a greater flamingo is they can sleep at one leg for a long period of time, which is even long enough to fall asleep. The scientists suggest that flamingo use more muscle power when standing on 2 legs, so standing in one leg may less tiring. Scientists also believe that one leg may help flamingo stay warm. The behavior of the flamingo that we observe at the zoo typing is feeding with one leg, feeding with moving bill side to side, preening with bill, preening while standing on one leg, attract mate, sleeping with head at the back, sleeping while standing on one leg, communication, and pooping. Based on our data, the major behavior of the greater flamingo is feeding with one leg at 29%. They feed on their food while standing on one leg to save energy and maintain stable. According to previous study by Anderson and William 2009, they believe that this flamingo unique characteristic can conserve heat by standing on one leg rather than both legs. The second highest is feeding with moving bills side to side to filter their food at 19%. Next, the greater flamingo will spend their times during the day preening with bill and standing at one leg at 16% and 12% respectively. According to research by Delfino and Carlos 2021, preening is to keep the feather aligned and waterproof. This also ensures it is in optimal condition by removing debris, dirt, and parasite that may accumulate on their feather. Next is flamingo are found to attract mate by performing elaborate courtship display to attract female at 6%. Sleeping with head at the back and walking have the same data, which is 5%. Same goes for sleeping at one leg and communication with 3%. The lowest data is pooping with 2%. The major behavior of a greater flamingo at night is same with the daytime. They feed on their food with one leg at 32%. This data shown as flamingo more active at the night searching for their food, while feeding with bills side to side is 23%. The flamingo also walk more at night with 14%. Flamingo preening with bill and standing at one leg at 10% and 6% respectively. Next, flamingo sleep with the head at the back with 4%. This is slightly lower than their behavior at the daytime. Flamingo attract mates at 4%. They also found sleeping at one leg at 3%, and the same goes to having communication with each others. The minor behavior at night is pooping, which is 1%. For the conclusion, the greater flamingo exhibit a range of unique behavior that make them truly special creatures. This unique behavior contribute to their survival and reproductive success. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.